Hello guys, welcome to my channel Avi Teaches. The purpose of making this video is to tell you all that what this channel is going to be all about. I heard on Facebook, Instagram and on different social media platforms about Cash Cow channels, so I decided to give it a try. Those who don't know about Cash Cow channel yet, that what it is, so it's a channel in which you can make videos without showing your face just like me. Let me tell you more about this channel. There is something for everyone, whether you enjoy the latest scientific discoveries, space exploration, true stories, fitness, amazing tests and riddles, or practical advice on self improvement, psychology, gadgets, or just your daily routine. Every single day, high quality video with all that information and more will be delivered to you. Join our community if you have a never ending thirst for knowledge. Take off your shoes, relax, and make yourself at home here at Every Teaches because we are going to have fun. So make sure you like, subscribe the channel and turn on the bell icon so you will never miss any of my video.